Looking for a speaker harness that fits your GM vehicle perfectly? The ACDelco GM Original Equipment Speaker Harness is designed specifically as a GM recommended replacement part, ensuring you get the same quality and reliability as the original factory component. It's built to meet GM's exact specifications for fit, form, and function. Why settle for anything less than the genuine article? This harness supports your vehicle's body electrical and lighting systems with the durability and performance you expect from a trusted GM part. It's engineered to last, so you won't have to worry about frequent replacements or poor connections. One satisfied customer from the United States described it as perfect, noting how easily it made installing speakers. That kind of seamless installation saves time and frustration, especially if you're upgrading your sound system or replacing a worn-out harness. The ACDelco GM Original Equipment Speaker Harness matches the exact standards of GM OE parts, which means it fits right the first time without any modifications. This precision fit helps maintain your vehicle's electrical integrity and ensures consistent speaker performance. If you value quality and want to keep your GM vehicle running smoothly, this harness is a smart choice. It delivers what you get with factory parts, reliable operation and long service life, so your investment is protected. Worth a look if you're replacing a speaker harness or upgrading your audio setup. The confidence that comes with using a GM-approved part makes all the difference when it comes to performance and peace of mind. Try the ACDelco GM Original Equipment Speaker Harness when you're ready to restore your vehicle's audio system with a trusted, high-quality component. It's a straightforward solution that keeps your GM vehicle functioning exactly as it should.